Imagine waking up and the first thing you do is check your phone. Sounds familiar, right? That's the power of social media. Social media is a double-edged sword. On one side, it connects us to the world, helps us learn new things, and gives us a platform to share our videos, ideas, and talent. Many people have turned their passion into success through it. But on the other side, too much of social media can control us instead of us controlling it. It can waste our time, affect our mental health, and sometimes expose us to negativity and fake information. So the question is not whether social media is good or bad. The real question is how we use it.
Amidst a charged national debate on banning social media for children after the AI Impact Summit, coupled with rising parental complaints of digital addiction, mental health risks, and the erosion of quality family time, the Goa government has started work on its proposed ban on social media usage for children under 16. Media reports suggest that the Goa authorities are examining Australian laws to determine how to regulate minors' access to social media platforms. While a couple of other states are considering the ban, several countries have also jumped into the fray, thus igniting a global debate. The ban aims to delay access, encouraging critical thinking and resilience. Even as there is a debate on improving social media safety, Evescape, Goa's first women media network, sought opinions from educators, psychologists, IT professionals, and health experts to understand the implications of such a ban, considering social media as a recommended tool of education and socializing. Let us first listen to IT professional Sangeeta Naik.
फेब्रुवारी 2026 गोवा गव्हर्मेंटान 16 वर्सां सकयल्या भुरग्यां पासून आमी सोशल मिडिया बॅन जावं रेस्ट्रिक्ट करपाचो विचार करता अशी घोशणा केली आणि आतां मार्चान त्या रिलेटेड एक कमिटी कॉन्स्टिट्यूट केली. ह्या गोवा गव्हर्मेंटाच्या निर्णयाचे पालकांनी, शिक्षकांनी आणि सोसायटी एज अ होल सगळ्यांनीच एकदम तहे दिल से म्हणटा पळय तशें स्वागत केलें. कित्याक आमी पळयता आमच्या भुरग्यां वयलो ह्या सोशल मिडियाच्याच न्ही तर ओवरऑल सायबर स्पेसाच्या ओव्हर युजाचो जो परिणाम आमच्या भुरग्यांच्या मेंटल हेल्थाचेर, फिजिकल एक्टिविटीजांचेर, ओवरऑल सोसायटी कडल्या इंटरॅक्शनाचेर कितलो परिणाम जाला तो ताची धग आमकां सगळ्यांकच लागलेली आसा. ताका लागून अशा प्रकार कितें तरी एक ताका सोल्युशन अशें म्हणून ह्या बॅनाच्या अनाउन्समेंटाचेर पेरंट्सांनी जावं सोसायटीन पळयलें. पण खरेंच अशा प्रकारचो बॅन हो स्टेट सब्जेक्ट जावंक शकता काय?
Mental health expert and educationist Dr. Swarna Fonseca E. Antaun shares her perspective.
This becomes like a hiding screen where behind the screen they would be saying certain things, behind the screen they would be watching things that they are not supposed to be watching, which nobody has a control over. Neither the teacher nor the parent has the control over. And it also has a disease of low self-esteem where they put up something and then they want certain number of likes or so many people who would appreciate what they have put up. Now, this is also an access to unwanted information, which I don't have to explain. Next is we have games that are there, which innocently children go into taking up those games, but they are traps for the innocent children. I've also had a patient like that who had come where is trapped in the game and was asked to pay certain amount. Then he would rob money from here and there and pay the amount. So it starts off as a very simple game. So how are we going to control this unless and until the social media or the media is stopped for the students of that age, because they're not yet in the stage where they can decipher whether it is good for them or whether it is bad for them.
Mother of a 14-year-old child, Karishma Kerkar, welcomes the proposed ban while stating how social media usage has negatively impacted the lives of our children.
गोवा गव्हर्मेंटान जी 16 वर्सां सकयल्या भुरग्यांक सोशल मिडियाचेर बंदी घालपाची येवजण आसा ताका हांव मना काळजांतल्यान येवकार दितां. आयची भुरगीं आमी पयलीं जाल्यार तांकां दीसभर मोबायल जाय पडटा. तांकां जेवता आसतना सुद्दां मोबायल जाय. पूण आवय बापूय कितें करतलीं? आवय बापायंक मोबायल हो भुरग्यांक दिवचेच पडटा. एकदां वॉट्सॅपार टिचरी होमवर्क धाडटा, फ्रेंड्स होमवर्क धाडटा, ती ट्युशनाक वता, ती फ्रेंडागेर वता, म्हणून आवय बापूय भुरग्यांक मोबायल दिता. पूण मोबायल एकदां हातान मेळ्ळो की भुरगीं सोशल मिडियाचे ॲप्स जे आसा जशे की फेसबूक, इंस्टाग्राम हे डावनलोड करता. आनी ह्याच कारणां खातीर शारिरीक व्यायाम कमी जाता. आयचीं हीं भुरगीं 3 ते 4 वरां रिल्स पळयत रावता. तांकां सोशल मिडियाच इंट्रस्टींग दिसता. तांकां भायर वचून खेळपाक आवडना. सोशल मिडिया खातीर हीं भुरगीं आपलें लायफ सदांच सोशल इन्फ्लुएन्सर वा फ्रेंडा वांगडा कंपेर करीत आसता. आनी आवय बापायचेर प्रेशर हाडटा की ह्याच ब्रँडाचो टी शर्ट आपल्याक जाय जावं ह्याच ब्रँडाचो बॅग आपल्याक जाय. तांकां अशें दिसता की सगळ्यांचें लायफ कशें परफेक्ट आसा आनी आमचीच जीण ही दुखी आसा.
Dr. Tanvi Bambolkar and Nidhi Naik, both professors, have this to say.
I feel that it's a step in the right direction, definitely, but it has to be looked at from a more balanced perspective, I believe, because we do know that social media has its own pros and cons, so to say. If you see in today's times, children who are there, who are exposed to social media at a very young age, we know there are many problems which it can cause, actually related to maybe the reduced attention span, or even about the way they handle different things on social media. It can attack their self-esteem, so to say, or how to communicate in real world. But I believe that complete ban would not be a perfect solution for that, because we know that anything is good if it's in moderation and if it's used in control. I think government should allow them to use it with more control and with maybe some kind of guidance, under parental guidance or guidance of some elders, because we do know that social media is a great tool if used carefully.
I think the decision to ban social media for the young school students is correct, because we have already seen a lot of disadvantages of use of social media, not just by students but even by others. Of course, it impacts their health, their eyesight. We see a lot of young children with spectacles at a very young age, but because they're using screens a lot. Of course, I'm not denying the role of technology in education in today's world. Like, there is AI, there is robotics, there is coding that is part of curriculum. However, social media is completely a different ball game altogether, and which requires a lot of maturity and a lot of sensibility, which I think children at that age lack. They may feel that they have it, but I think they lack it, and that's why they can fall into the trap of a lot of cyber crimes, sexual crimes that happen online. So to protect our children from adverse effects, I think it is a very sensible decision to ban social media for children.
Psychologist Shobika Jaju has an advice for parents while listing out the psychological issues children face with addiction to social media.
As adults, we know how difficult it is to get rid of these apps or not to use them. And imagine a child or a teenager whose brain is still developing, how hard it must be for them to disconnect from these apps. So I really welcome this move. Of course, I would want parents to be prepared and not wait for this ban, but acknowledge the negative side effects of social media usage on our children and teenagers, and already implement simple strategies like providing alternative entertainment modes, limiting screen time to the kids, so that as and when the ban also comes into effect, it's not a lot to deal with all at once for a younger lot. And I feel that it is important as parents and caregivers to provide our children with alternative mediums of entertainment which don't involve a screen.
Envisioning the obstacles to holistic implementation of such a ban, our experts further provide tangible solutions.
Because the moment we say we're going to put a ban on something, I'm sure the children are going to find loopholes. Instead, what we could do is we could create awareness. We could get into discussion with children, which has not been done so far. Okay? We have given them the screens without giving them clear instructions about the usage. They are growing in a digital era. They need to use screen. We could teach them how to use the screen with proper controls. Also, they could use it as a beautiful tool for learning and use it to ace in their career. ऑस्ट्रेलियन ही पहिली कंट्री जाणी हो अशा प्रकारचो बॅन इम्प्लिमेंट केल्लो आसा डिसेंबर 10, 2025च्यान. पूण हो बॅन तांकां इम्प्लिमेंट करप पॉसिबल जालें बिकॉज तांच्यांनी सरळ डायरेक्टली एज अ नेशन ह्या रिलेटेड कंपन्यांक रिस्पॉन्सिबल करून कंपन्यांचेर वेगवेगळी रेस्ट्रिक्शन्स घालून हो बॅन इम्प्लिमेंट केल्लो आसा. सो जर इंडियेन अशा प्रकारचो बॅन इम्प्लिमेंट करपाक जाय जाल्यार तो दॅट हॅज टू बी डन ॲट द नॅशनल लेवल. नवो कायदो आयिल्लो आसा रिलेटेड एक, तो डिजिटल पर्सनल डेटा प्रोटेक्शन एक्ट म्हणून. तर ह्या कायद्याचे सध्या फेज्ड इम्प्लिमेंटेशन चालू आसा. एक मे 2027 पर्यंत हो कायदो फुली इम्प्लिमेंट जातलो अशी अपेक्षा आसा. तर अंडर दीस DPDP म्हणजे डिजिटल पर्सनल डेटा प्रोटेक्शन एक्टाच्या अंडर 18 वर्सां सकयल्या भुरग्यांक इंडियेंतल्या जर आपल्याचो अकाउंट सोशल मिडिया करपाक जाय जावं शॉपिंग वेबसायट यूज करपाक जाय जावं अशा रिलेटेड जें कितें आसा पळय, जावं एडिक्टीव टायप जें कितें आसा पळय तशा टायपाचें जें कंटेंट आसा, जर तशा टायपाची जी टूल्स जावं सॉफ्टवेअर्स आसा ती जर ती यूज करतली जाल्यार तांकां पेरंटल कन्सेंट आसप ह्या एक्टान कंपल्सरी केल्लें आसा. सो हातूंच्यान पेरंटांचो कंट्रोल उरून आनी पेरंट्सांच्या दोळ्या सकयल जे ह्यो गोश्टी जावन एखाद्या वेळ हाचेर कंट्रोल येत काय असो एक पॉसिबिलिटी आसा. पूण तातूनय इनफॅक्ट दुसऱ्या खंयच्या तरी टॉप लेवला वयल्यान येवन टॉप टू बॉटम सोल्युशन सोदच्या परस I think it is more important that we look for a bottom-up kind of a solution or a bottom-up kind of a approach. गरज असतानाच आणि गरज तितल्या प्रमाणात आम्ही जर ही टूल्स जावं हे डिवायसीस जावं हे गॅजेट्स भुरग्यां कडेन दिले आनी ताचेर कंप्लीट मॉनिटरींग प्रॉपर शॉर्टकट्स यूज करनासतना आमची स्वताची कन्विनियन्स पळयनासतना जर आमी भुरग्यांक आमच्या भुरग्यांचोच विचार करून जर ही टूल्स जावं ही जी वेगळी टॅक्नॉलॉजी आसा ती तांकां इंट्रोड्यूस करूंक आमी शकता काय हाचेर कंप्लीट एक थरळ विचार जावपाक जाय. गोवा गव्हर्मेंटाच्या लेवलाचेर एज्युकेशनान जावं पेरंटल अवेरनेस, टीचर स्कूल लेवल अवेरनेस, एक्सटेन्सीव अवेरनेस जावपाक जाय. मागीर ही टूल्स इफेक्टिवली कशी यूज जावपाक शकता फॉर लर्निंग पर्पज देन फॉर एडिक्शन पर्पज हाचेर विचार जावपाक जाय. आनी सगळ्यांनी मेळून सगळ्या बॉटम अप म्हणटात ते सकयल्यान वेगवेगळ्या लेवलांचेर भुरग्यांक ह्या एडिक्शनांच्यान कशी भायर काडूंक शकता आमी हाचेर विचार जावपाक जाय. आनी तरच हो जो बागुलबुवा म्हणटा तसो आमच्या भुरग्यांच्या आयुश्यान आयिल्लो आसा ताचेर कितें तरी आमी एक कलेक्टीव उपाय काडूं शकतली.
Anyway, I'm wishing the very best to the government and the entire panel or the core team who will be putting up maybe so many ways by which it can be curtailed.
Until such time that the government implements the ban, it is time stakeholders monitor content and exercise control on use of social media for children.